Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways so that you can factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right in. So I'm going to be showing you 2 ways so that you can factory reset your phone. This is also known as a hard reset. First, I'll show you how to do it through the settings, and then I'll also show you how to do it so that in case you have a password and you forgot it and you can't get into the phone, or you have locked yourself out completely, then with the second method, you'll be able to bypass this, completely reset your phone's factory settings, and start using it normally again. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings really quickly. So go ahead and find your settings. Okay, here in settings, you're going to scroll down to where it says General Management. Okay, here in General Management, you're going to once again scroll all the way down. You're going to see towards the bottom the reset option right here. Go ahead and select it, and then scroll once again all the way to the bottom, and all the way at the bottom, you will notice Factory Data Reset. Go ahead and select it. And here, it is just letting you know that everything on your device will be erased, okay? All data, all apps, pretty much everything. So if you do have stuff that you want to keep that you don't want to erase, I suggest you back it up before you go ahead with this, because once again, it is going to erase everything on your phone. Okay, so once you're ready, hit reset. It's going to ask you for your PIN, put it in, and once you hit continue, the reset process will begin. All right, now for the second method. Let's say you forgot your password. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it from this screen. So all you got to do is you're going to press and hold volume down and the power lock button. Okay, you're going to hold them both at the same time until the screen blacks out. Once it does, you're going to release, and then you're going to press and hold volume up and the power lock button, and hold them until the Android recovery menu appears. Okay, so once the screen blacks out, you have to quickly release and press and hold volume up and power lock button. All right, so let's go ahead and do it now. Volume down and power lock button. And then quickly release and press volume up and power lock button at the same time. And now we're going to continue to hold until we get to that One UI Android recovery, and then you release quickly. So as you can see here, we are in Android recovery now. Here with the volume buttons, you're going to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset right here. All right, so once you're at Wipe Data Factory Reset, just confirm with the power lock button. And then here, once again, scroll down with the volume down button to Factory Data Reset. And then once again, confirm here with the power lock button. Okay, now we're going to wait until it says Data Wipe Complete down here, which is pretty quick. And then there you go. Once it says that the phone is ready, so just go ahead and hit the power lock button to reboot the system now. Then we're going to give it a few seconds, maybe a minute or two, to allow the phone to turn on. And there we go. So as you can see, we are at the initial setup of the device here. Here we just got to go through all of the setup steps to get the phone set up so that we can start using it again. All right, everyone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.